City, but Neustadt, it's in Germany. Yes, that's nice. Nice city. Yan, let's drink a coffee, guys. Hindi. Alex, bata yan. That's a kid. Alex is a kid. It's one of my supporters also in my life. He is good to me also. Pros. Hindi. Let's drink coffee, guys. Ay, sis, start ka na, sis. Let's drink coffee, sis. Here, let's just tell you. Yeah, yeah. Sa kanya din yan. Ayan na. Oo. Mhm. Tatlo na yung channel niya. Mm. Madami siyang gadget. Laptop, ano tawag dito? Tablet, yung mga cellphone niya, dami. Tago ko yung headset ko kasi sa likod kasi para di makita. O yan, di ba? Here lang, telhuman ka. Yan. Thank you, sis babes. I need to sleep soon. Gotta work, but I'll try to stay. Oh, wow. Thank you very much, Christopher. Thank you, guys. Let's drink coffee, guys. Ugali ko kung nag-ano ako ng kape, kumakain din ako ng chocolates. Yung chocolates, mayroon pa rin akong chocolates na yung last time. Mhm. Mhm. Yan. Bakit? Mrs. Tita Rose, I wrote your name 2 weeks ago, so I would remember. Oh, really? Wow. Thank you very much, Christopher. Yeah, you're so nice. Thank you.